Hey guys, so after contemplating for months and months and months and months, I finally bought the Blackmagic URSA Mini Pro 12K and I'm going to be unboxing it. So I can't contain my excitement because this is the most expensive camera that I've ever had to buy as at 2021. Hopefully, I'm going to buy more expensive cameras, but it took some selling of other equipment to buy this camera. So yeah, let's open it. Okay. I don't know, why do I always have these big scissors? Okay. And okay. Awesome. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Hmm. Ooh. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Let's see what's inside. We've got a welcome Blackmagic menu. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Download instructions. Cool. This looks well packaged. We've got this. Okay, Blackmagic logo. Okay. All right. I see you, Blackmagic. I see you. Okay. So this is the Blackmagic Studio activation key. Okay. It's just awesome. Just. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh. Okay. Before I do that, there's more. There's one thing on the side. This is the power supply. This is the power supply. All right. I see you, Blackmagic. I see you. I see you. I see you, Blackmagic. Cool. Oh. Okay. So here's it. Blackmagic URSA Mini Pro 12K. So what? This is all you get in the box. You get the DaVinci Studio key, the activation key. For me, this is also one of the reasons I'm actually still excited because I'm transiting from Adobe system to Blackmagic editing suite. So I'm quite happy. I'm actually tired of paying the monthly subscription on Adobe, and having this now, it's really exciting to me. Having the Fusion, the Adobe, the having the Fusion ecosystem working with this camera, I think is going to be much easier. And yeah, guys, this is all you get in the box. You get this, you get the manuals, and then you get Blackmagic logo. You get the camera, of course. You get one of those, and then you get one of those, and then you get this. So this is all you get in the box. Let me just open it one more time. So guys, if you stayed the whole time watching this unboxing, watching me unbox my new toy, thank you. I'm so excited to use this. I can't wait to switch it on. And guys, if you're trying to decide if you should use this, if you should buy one of this, and you need a friendly advice, just leave a comment and I'll definitely reply you. And also, yeah, I'll be making other videos talking about the other gears that I bought to actually use this I'm very excited too. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, like, and yeah, guys, I'm excited to use this, and I'll see you in my other videos. Stay safe. All right. This is a gem. This is lovely. This is beautiful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you for this.